Would you like to learn how to make French beaded flowers, but you are intimidated because it looks like it is so hard? Stick around because I will demystify it for you and shorten your learning curve. Hi everyone, I'm Fen Li, designer here at the Bead Flora studio, author to the book Bead Flora, the revival of French beaded flowers, and a bead instructor at the Bead and Button Show. On this channel, I offer tip videos, technique reference guides, and free beaded flower tutorials. If you'd like to learn more, consider subscribing. Next week, I will start releasing some of the technique projects from my book. My philosophy for teaching is that if you are going to learn a certain technique, you might as well have something to show for it. So instead of having a whole section in my book devoted to just techniques, I designed a series of flowers that use all of the techniques. You don't necessarily have to make the project if you don't want to. You can refer to it for just the technique. But my intention is that you can have something to show for it. The technique projects start with the most basic, simple bead and wire flower. Then gradually we'll work ourselves up to more complex projects. In the videos released here on my channel, I will also show you more tips that are not in the book so that you can be more successful when making French beaded flowers. I will release the full patterns for most flowers. Some of them I've held classes for and will only release the techniques and not the full pattern, but it will be available if you purchase my book. If you would like to have the printed book along with the videos, you can order the book on Amazon and also online at Barnes & Noble, Target, and Walmart. You can also get an autographed copy from me by ordering it at beadflora.com. It is actually cheaper to buy directly from me if you live in the US, and you even get to get my squiggles. A Kindle version is also available on Amazon. It is also available through the Kindle Unlimited subscription. If you would like to check out the book, you can sign up for a 30-day free trial. I'm giving the Kindle Unlimited program a try for a limited time. If it doesn't work out for me, I may retract the book from being in the program. I just want to give you a heads up for those who are watching this video a few years from now. So it may or may not still be up on Kindle Unlimited, but will be available as a Kindle book indefinitely. I will put all the links in the description below. After I've run the technique projects, there will be a bead-along for the cover projects. So you can make this cover arrangement. Bead along with me. I will release the project videos here on my channel. Also, hang out with me and other French beaders in the Learn How to Make French Beaded Flowers Facebook group to show off your flowers. Give this video a thumbs up if you're excited about what is coming down the pipeline. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell to be notified of when my new tutorials come out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye!